Good morning everyone, welcome to mathematics class. So we were discussing about the very important lesson, 17th lesson, trigonometrical ratios. I completed in previous class 15th question. Now I will start question number 16. Question number 16. Given that A is an acute angle and 13 sin A is equal to 5. Given that 13 into sin A is equal to 5. 13 sin A is equal to 5. Evaluate 5 sin A 5 sin A minus 2 cos A 2 cos A divided by tan A. So this is the given question. What they given? 13 sin A is equal to 5. As by using this condition, find the value of cos A, one sin A also, and tan A. Replace all the values. Yes, solution. Given that 13 sin A is equal to 5. Therefore, find the value of sin A. Sin A is equal to 5 by 13. Yes, sin is the ratio of opposite divided by hypotenuse. As draw right angle triangle. Consider A is here, this is B, and C hypotenuse. As consider A is acute, this is opposite, so this one base. So opposite means 5, hypotenuse means 13. Find the value of base again by using Pythagoras theorem, as which implies AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square in bracket Pythagoras theorem. And therefore, AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. Next, therefore, AB square is equal to AC 13 square minus 5 square. Therefore, the value of AB is equal to 169 minus 25. Therefore, AB square is equal to 144. Therefore, the value of AB is equal to under the root 144. Its value is 1. What is the value of AB? That is base 12. Yes, this is 12. Yes. Next, sin A we know. Cos A. Yes, what is the value of cos A? That is base divided by hypotenuse. That is 12 by 13. What is the value of tan A? Opposite divided by base opposite, that is 5 by 12. What is the value of sin A? We know the given, that is opposite divided by hypotenuse, that is 5 by 13. Now we replace the given question. Yes, here, alright. 5 into sin A, 5 into sin A, what is the value of sin A? 5 by 13 minus 2 into cos A, what is the value of cos A? That is 12 by 13. Yes, divided by, what is the value of tan A? That is 5 divided by 12. Yes, 5 into 5, 25 divided by 13 minus 24 divided by 13. Yes, right into reciprocal, that is 12 by 5. Yes, this implies take LCM. Yes, 13 is the LCM. 25 minus 24 into 12 by 5. Therefore, 1 by 13 into 12 by 5. The final answer is 12 divided by 65. The final answer is 12 by 65. Yes, very simple. Draw right angle triangle, required what we need, and consider the given question, right ratios, and replace the value. Finally, simplify, then you get what we need. Okay, is it clear? This is question number 16. Let's see question number 17. Almost all questions are similar type, only change in measures. Yes, please practice all these. Don't neglect. Next, question number 17. Given A is an acute angle and cosecant A, question number 17. Yes, cosecant A or cosec A is equal to root 2. Find the value of, find, yes, 2 sin square A, 2 sin square A plus 3 cot square A divided by tan square A minus cos square A. We have to find this one by using cosecant A is equal to root 2 as solution. Yes, this implies cosecant A is equal to root 2 by 1. Right, no problem. Cosecant A is equal to root 2 by 1. So this is equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite. Now draw right angle triangle. Call it as ABC. A is here. Consider A is acute. Right angle B. This is hypotenuse. This is opposite. This one base. So hypotenuse root 2. Opposite 1. Find the value of AB. Yes, apply Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore, this AB square is equal to AC square minus BC square. Therefore, AB square is equal to AC root 2 whole square minus 1 square. Therefore, AB square is equal to root 2 square, 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1, 2. Therefore, the value of AB is equal to 2 minus 1, 1, not 2. AB is equal to root of 1 is equal to 1. So base, that is 1. Yes, next, let's consider the given question. Replace all the values. If you want, just you write here one by one, no problem. Sin A, yes, sin A, what is the value of sin A? Opposite by base, correct? Yes, opposite, sorry, opposite by hypotenuse, not base. Yes, that is 1 by root 2. Next, what we require next? Cot. Cot is equal to base divided by opposite, that is 1 by 1. 1. Tan. As tan is the reciprocal of cot. Opposite divided by base, that is 1 by 1. Is 1. Then cos is equal to base divided by hypotenuse, that is equal to 1 by root 2. Next, replace all the values here. Yes, directly I will replace the values. 2 sin square A, 1 divided by root 2, this is sin square, plus 3 cot square A, cot 1 1 square divided by tan square A, that is 1 square, minus cos, that is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 whole square. So this implies as 2, 1 divided by root 2 square, only 2, plus 1 square 1 into 3, 3 divided by 1 square 1 minus 1 square 1 divided by root 2 square, that is only 2. Next 2 gets cancelled. So this implies 1 plus 3, that is 4, divided by, take LCM, 2 is the LCM, yes, 2 minus 1. So this implies 4 into 2 by, that's 2 minus 1, 1. The final answer is 8. This is the final answer. Okay, na? 8 is the final answer. Next, let's consider question number 18. Yes, question number 18. The diagonals AC and BD of a rhombus ABCD meet at O if AC is equal to 8 centimeters and BD is equal to 6 centimeters. Find sine angle OCD. The rhombus. The very important thing is the properties of rhombus is very important in this question. As rhombus, all four sides are equal. A, B, C, D. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. AC and BD are the diagonals meet at the point O. Very important thing. I told you many times, without a right angle triangle we cannot find the answers here. So at point O, yes, 90 degree. Why? Because the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other perpendicularly or at right angles. Okay, so here also 90 degree, here also 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. The mark represents angle AOD 90 degree, AOB 90 degree, BOC 90 degree, and finally COD is also 90 degree. And very important thing, bisect each other. Diagonals are bisect each other, which means that as AO, solution you write, AO is equal to OC is equal to AC by 2. The given AC value, that is 8 by 2. 8 by 2, that is equal to 4 centimeter. Similarly, BO is equal to OD is equal to, yes, BO is equal to OD is equal to BD by 2. So the value of BD 6 by 2, that is equal to 3 centimeter. What is the given question here? We should find sine angle OCD. OCD means consider C circuit. As OD value 3. Correct? As OC value 4. As if C is acute, as which is opposite here, OD is equal to opposite, that is 3. Next, OC is equal to base, that is 4. CD is equal to hypotenuse, as we should find. Apply Pythagoras theorem again. Yes, CD square is equal to OC square plus OD square in bracket Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, CD square is equal to OC. What is the value of OC? Yes, 4 square plus OD 3 square. Therefore, CD square is equal to 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. Therefore, CD is equal to root of 25, that is equal to 5 units or 5 centimeters. So this is 5. Okay. Yes. Now you write Very, very, very simple. Sine OCD. So C is acute, I told you. If C is acute, first you write ratio opposite divided by hypotenuse. As C is acute, OD is called as opposite, then hypotenuse, that is, this is OD by CD. Thus the final answer is, what is the value of OD? 3. Just now you got a CD value 5. Yes, this is the value of sine angle OCD, that is equal to 3 by 5. Yes, this is the procedure. Very important thing is properties of a rhombus. All four sides are equal and the diagonals are bisect each other at right angles. Then it will be very, 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 very easy. Okay, let's see next question. Consider next one. Question number 19. If tan theta is equal to, if tan theta is equal to 5 by 12, 5 divided by 12, find the value of, find the value of cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Let's find again by using right angle triangles. What we need first to find all three sides. As solution, tan theta is equal to 5 by 12. Tan ratio opposite divided by base. As once again draw a right angle triangle ABC. Consider A is acute angle denoted by theta. If A is acute, this is opposite, this one hypotenuse, what about this one, base, so opposite 5, what about the base, this is 12. Find AC again by using Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore, as AC square is equal to AB value 12 square plus BC 5 square. Therefore, AC square is equal to 144 plus 25. Therefore, the value of AC square is equal to 169. Therefore, the value of AC is equal to root of 169, that is equal to 13 centimeters. That's what is the value of hypotenuse, 13. Next, find one by one. As sin theta. Sin theta is the ratio of opposite divided by hypotenuse. If you want, you can find one by one. Otherwise, directly substitute. No problem. So, better you find what we required. Then it will be very easy. There is no confusion. That's opposite value 5 divided by 13. We want only two, sin and cos. Cos means base divided by hypotenuse, that is 12 by 30. Yes. Now directly write answer here. Yes. Cos theta 12 by 13. Yes. Plus sin theta 5 by 13 divided by 12 by 13 minus 5 by 13. Yes. This implies take LCM. 13 is the LCM. What will you get? 12 plus 5 divided by 13, denominator 12 minus 5 divided by 13. Yes, 12 plus 5, 17 by 13 into 13 divided by 7. So 13 gets cancels. So which implies 17 by 7, 7 2 ja 14, yes, 3 remaining 7. So the final answer is 2 whole 3 by 7 is the final answer. Okay, yes. Let's see today's last question. Question number 20. Yes. Today's last question. Note down first question. Given question number 20. Given 5 cos A, 5 cos A minus 12 sin A, sin A is equal to 0. Find the value of, find the value of sin A plus cos A, sin A plus cos A divided by 2 cos A, 2 cos A minus sin A. As solution, yes, by using this, yes, 5 cos A is equal to 12 sin A. Correct? You send this term towards RHS. It will become plus 0 plus 12 sin A, that is 12 sin A. From this, you can find cos A by sin A or sin A by cos A. Anyone. So sin A, I will find here sin A divided by cos A. Yes, sin A, send cos A here. Yes, very important. Yes, 5 by 12, not 12 by 5. Cos A by sin A, that is equal to 12 by 5. But sin A by cos A is equal to 5 by 12. Cos A by sin A, 12 by 5. Sin A by cos A, 5 by 12. Not 12 by 5. Okay? Na? Yes, this implies sin by cos, that is tan. Yes. Tan A is equal to 5 by 12. Again, ratio opposite divided by base. Yes, again, draw right angle triangle. Previous question, I calculated this hypotenuse value 13. Previous question. Yes, C, B, A, acute, A is acute, opposite, this is hypotenuse, base, opposite value 5, base 12. Find the value of AC, so which implies AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square in bracket Pythagoras theorem. So which implies AC square is equal to AB 12 square plus BC 5 square. Therefore, the value of AC square is equal to 144 plus 25. Therefore, AC square is equal to 169. Therefore, the value of AC is equal to root of 169. So, the value of AC is equal to 13 centimeter, as this is 30. Now, consider the given question. Sin A, that is opposite by hypotenuse. Directly I will substitute 5 by 30 plus cos A, base by hypotenuse, that is 12 by 13 divided by 2 into cos A, that is 12 by 13 minus sin A, that is 5 by 13. Okay, as 13 LCM, what will you get? 5 plus 12 divided by 13 whole divided by, as 12 2 ja 24 divided by 13 minus 5 by 13. Yes, this implies last step 17 by 13 into, otherwise write one more step, divided by 13 LCM 24 minus 5 by 13. As last step 17 by 13. This time write into, make it reverse, 13 by difference 19. So 13 gets cancelled. The final answer is 17 by 19. 17 by 19. Okay. I shall continue next video class. Thank you.